As the year 2021 approaches us, the walk-in may likely wake up to this reality. Getting in touch with their inner self and exploring various forms of meditation, deeper awareness, trance, self-hypnosis, or dream work may help both walk-in and starseeds to remember who they are, why they are here, and what it is that they are meant to do or be while they are here. The concept of a walk-in is somewhat similar to starseeds. A walk-in is a person whose original soul has departed his or her body and been replaced with a new soul. This soul exchange takes place voluntarily for many reasons, usually when the original soul is experiencing physical, mental, or emotional difficulty with its current life incarnation and wishes to depart without physical death. In order to do so, another soul must volunteer to come in and exchange places with the host soul. The walk-in theory should not be confused with possession. Walk-in is a quick, but not always an easy, way for advanced beings to come down to Earth. The soul exchange between the walk-in and walk-out takes far less time than it does for most walk-ins to adjust to their new situation. Like all who come to Earth and incarnate into a physical body, the walk-in will forget, temporarily or permanently, about this exchange. Yet the effect on their lives will be totally unmistakable. This is because while the walk-in assumes the personality of the walk-out at the exchange, they immediately start to change so that they can go back to their real personality. It's possible that some walk-ins may have already had incarnations on the 3D Earth plane. Instead of leaving the Earth plane vibration upon physical death, a soul may choose to remain on Earth through the walk-in process. Most walk-ins occur during adulthood, but when an earlier exchange does take place, it is usually because the walk-in soul needs the experience of childhood for various reasons. Why can walking in be difficult? Typically, a soul exchange is made by the walk-in taking on the lower 3 personality chakras of the walk-out, while retaining their own upper 4 spiritual chakras. The lower chakra must remain connected to the earth at all times for the body to survive. Yet the upper chakras are a person's divine core essence, which they carry between lives and bodies. If there is serious incompatibility between the upper and lower chakras after the walk-in, this will manifest as numberless difficulties in an individual's life. So if you have experienced 7 or more out of the 10 symptoms we are going to mention in this video in a period of 3 to 6 months, it is likely that you are a walk-in. It is also likely that you may need some help getting clarity about your situation so that you can better adjust to your new life. The contract of exchange between the host soul wishing to depart and the soul willing to walk in takes place on a spiritual, cosmic level. The actual exchange commonly takes place during a traumatic event or accident in the original soul's life, or during an unconscious state of mind. Once the walk-in occurs, the new soul becomes the conscious blueprint of the original, retaining all memories and life experiences as if nothing had ever happened. Like starseeds, the walk-in soul usually originates from a 4D or higher dimensional level. Although the 4D is the most common since its vibration is closer to the 3D vibration, and the adjustment can take place more easily. Walking into a new body is as stressful for the soul walking in as it is for the body that is receiving that soul. To make it easier all the way around, many walk-ins occur while the body is unconscious for an extended period of time due to a serious illness or injury. This makes it easier for the exchange to occur. The walk-in can take time to adjust to being in a body, and the walk-out can say goodbye to their old life. It is easier for the body-mind to harmonize and reintegrate the upper and lower chakras because full time can be devoted to this process. It is easier for the family and friends of the person to accept the changes that follow when the individual wakes up as a new person. Once the walk-in soul has become incarnate in the host vehicle or body, the original soul inhabiting the body departs and is brought to a place where its life may be reviewed. Discussion over the soul's decision to leave the earth plane and guidance may be given regarding the next incarnation. In the original host body, The new walk-in soul usually retains no memory that such an event has just taken place, but it is possible for them to recover fragmented memories of their previous existence or current purpose for incarnating. The new soul or individual is still the same person they were before. The acquisition of new interests by the walk-in is directly related to their discovering whatever seems to be new talents, skills, and abilities for them. The truth is that the walk-in is just in the process of awakening to those things which they already know that they already can do. Since the walk-ins usually have a higher state of consciousness than the walk-out, they are better able to handle the problems they have inherited from the walk-out. The walk-in will suddenly have great clarity about how to resolve intractable issues that have eluded the walk-out for years. When walk-ins occur in a perfectly healthy body, it is likely that periods of mental disorientation will happen. This manifests as total or partial memory loss and/or episodes of lost time. This happens because the body-mind is fully engaged in processing the walk-in integration and literally has no resources to devote to non-essential functions like recording new memories. There sometimes may be a sudden change of interests or in personality after the walk-in occurs due to the new vibration of the host body. This can explain why after an accident or traumatic situation, an individual can sometimes exhibit a new behavior or characteristics. There may even be a sudden change of interests and goals, and maybe even a new outlook on life or change in direction or purpose. Only the person who lives inside their own skin, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, can ever truly know who they really are. Other people experience you like the proverbial elephant in the dark. They know only bits and pieces of you. Only you know if you are, on the inside, the same as you have always been, or if now you are somehow different. If you are certain that somehow you have experienced a deep and profound change and are no longer yourself, then you are probably right. After all, who would know better than you? While starseeds feel out of place in the family to which they were born, walk-ins simply feel like imposters. It's highly unusual for a walk-in to exchange places with someone who doesn't have a family. There are reasons for this, but that explanation is beyond the scope of this video. Walking into a family requires that walk-in to carry on as the host soul, maintaining family relationships. There will usually be those with whom the walk-in feels a heart connection. In those cases, the relationships are improved. On the other hand, there will be those with whom the walk-in feels no connection. In those cases, the relationship either atrophies or ends. Spousal relationships are most commonly affected and usually end within 2 years. Most family members notice a change in personality. Some see a change for the better, while others, usually the ones with whom a heart connection is lost, see a change for the worse. Regardless, the family is never the same after a walk-in arrives. Things are shaken up. Imbalances are brought to the surface for clearing. All pre-birth soul contracts with family members are honored and carried out. This means that whatever change is needed will be carried out by the walk-in. One of the first noticeable changes in a walk-in is a dramatic change in their belief systems, especially as it pertains to religion. Walk-out atheists become walk-in believers, or walkouts from traditional sects turn suddenly to New Age beliefs and practices. Or walkouts who had disempowering attitudes like sexism or racism become walk-ins who suddenly got religion. Similar again to the starseeds, the walk-ins that have originated from somewhere other than Earth may have volunteered or been asked to incarnate in order to assist in some way. Perhaps it was the original soul's destiny or life plan in order to achieve a specific goal or complete a mission, but due to its inability, difficulty, or decision to leave, the new soul may be taking on this new role for itself. The new soul may have a similar life path, goal, or mission that it would like to complete, and the original soul's physical life circumstances may make completing this goal or task much easier. More obvious to friends and family are dramatic shifts in the way the walk-in now spends his or her time compared to the way they used to be. It is extremely likely that the walk-in will acquire new, overwhelming, and absorbing interests that never would have appealed to the walkout. This is because most walk-ins have returned to Earth for a reason. Immediately after the exchange, and for 6 months to a year afterward, they will find themselves absolutely compelled to take actions that point them in the right direction of accomplishing whatever their new mission is. Before the walk-in can begin his or her mission, he or she must do cleanup work on the relationships of the host soul. This can take years to complete and may continue into the mission with the bulk of the work done prior to commencement. Cleanup usually involves resolving a long-standing conflict. When a child, bent on self-destruction as a result of an emotional wound with the host soul or parent, is involved, the healing can radically alter the course of his or her life, actually saving it in some cases. So, though the walk-in will bring change to the family, the benefits will usually outweigh the negatives. The best advice for a walk-in is to try and remember who they are and why they have chosen to come in. They most likely have a mission or something that they must achieve or experience while in the body. Watch our previous videos for more enlightening topics, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified with the latest cosmic information. Thanks for watching.